So I'm going to show you how to make this rectangular prism. Now you notice it's just like the other rectangle prism, except it's got a hole in the middle. So I'll show you how to do that. The first thing we're going to do is open up a new document. I'm going to call it rectangular prism with hole. You can call it really whatever you want. You'll be uploading it to Schoology, so I'll click create. Now I'm going to hide the right and the front planes. I'm going to right click and do view normal to on the top. So far this is all stuff we've done before. I'm going to click sketch. I'm going to select the top sketch plane. I'm going to select rectangle, select center point rectangle, draw my rectangle and change it to 2 inches and 3 inches. Okay, so far I'm good. Now there's one more thing I'm going to do here before I extrude, and that is I'm going to put a circle in this, okay? So I'm going to head over to my circle. You'll notice there's center point, 3 point, and ellipse. We're just going to do a center point circle. Now that I have center point circle selected, I'm going to drag to my origin. That's the center here. I'm going to click and I'm going to drag. It doesn't matter how far because I'm going to set this to a diameter of 1. And click enter. So now I have a rectangle that's 3 inches wide, 2 inches tall, with a circle in the exact center that is 1 inch in diameter. I'll click check and we're good. I can get rid of this top plane now, and I can drag this a little bit. There we go. So I can kind of see what's going on in 3 dimensions. All right. Now I'm going to extrude, but when I extrude, I'm only going to select the outside. So I'll go to my extrude. I'm going to go blind. Everything's good. I'm going to click this, but I'm not going to click the center. So if you just click anywhere in your rectangle that's not that hole, it will produce a rectangle with a hole in the middle. If you click the hole, it won't. So if you do accidentally click it, just click it again, it'll go there. We're going to change this from 1 inch to 0.5 inches on the depth. And there you go. That is how to make a rectangular prism with a hole in the center. Once you are done, I'm going to want you to make it visible so it's pretty big. We're going to go click these 3 little lines. We're going to click print. Make sure it's landscape, not portrait. And now I'm going to zoom in enough so that it fills up my little dotted lines here. I'm going to press Control and right click so I can move it to be in the center. I'm going to make sure that it's clear that there's a hole in the center, so I'm going to drag this around until it's very obvious that I have my hole and everything is within this dotted line. Then I can click Download Image and it will download. Now you can take that image and upload it to Schoology to submit this assignment. Okay, so that is how to make a rectangular prism with a hole in the center.